everybody. Hope you can hear me. I lost my microphone. Yeah, so hang on a sec. I'm a little late. Let's see if you can hear me. I'm going to do a test. Here we go. Come on, Facebook. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Cool. All right. So it's a beautiful day in paradise. I got these beautiful flowers from Kane and Nassim Tap. And I have to congratulate, actually, John got these because of his surgery, and they came to see him and they brought him flowers. I got ahead of myself there. Yeah, and congratulations to Nassim, who got her citizenship, and tomorrow is her birthday, and I'm so excited for her and Kane. They are so happy. If you know Kane, Kane's recently lost 90 pounds. Congratulations to him. Nassim just got her citizenship papers. Congratulations to her. And life is moving on quickly, isn't it? We have 95 days left in this year, everybody. Only 95. So we better get on the stick and do some business, because you only listed 21 single-family homes over the weekend. That's disgraceful, for heaven's sakes, isn't it? What do you think? Am I being too funny or not funny enough? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Just in a really good mood today. Had a wonderful walk this morning. It's so dark now that I think I'm going to have to get one of those hats with a light on. Anyway, we only have 20 days of inventory. Not good. 20 days of inventory. And we only listed 4 homes this weekend that are 400,000 or under. So y'all better get on the stick here. We have got to get to work. And on the market, there's only 497 homes that are under 400,000 and under. So y'all better get on the stick. I don't see my faves aren't here yet today. Where are they? Comment, instant comment on. Free beta, yes, okay. And because we had no closings over the weekend, that reduces our average daily back up. It always goes back up. It'll go back up the next couple days. And I would imagine we're probably going to hit it 130, 132. We'll see. We'll see how big of a closing September 30th is going to be. And the non-owner occupieds are still around 30% of our sales. So they're taking, that's a lot of homes that they're taking. I mean, if we only have 497, they're taking a third of those under 400,000. That's quite a bit, 170. Yeah. So anyway, come on, fellas, we got to get to work, guys and dolls and everybody. I'm really serious too. Do I sound like I'm angry? I'm not angry. I'm just anxious. So I said this on Saturday's show that Invitation Homes is the largest homeowner of non-owner occupied homes. And it looks like they have 4% of our market. Or 4% of their 80,000 is in Las Vegas. So that's quite a number. It's 3,200 non-owner occupied homes that they own just in Vegas alone. So just a stat for everybody to be aware of, that we have some fierce competition, and we really need to be mindful of who we're selling homes to. I had Bobby Martins on my show. He's a broker salesman in California, in San Diego. And of course, lots of people from San Francisco and from Los Angeles are moving there. So in light of that, they are holding homes open Friday through Monday, presenting offers on Tuesday, because they have, so the people's homes are only on the market 4 days, basically. That's how fast they're selling there. And one of the things that they're trying to do is, in all fairness, is to sell to homeowners. I don't know how that meets with fair housing, but I don't think investors are a biased party. So we'll see, a biased part of the fair housing. I don't know. I don't know if they fall into that familiar status. That's what I was looking for, those words.